I was checking the oil and the water. I looked down and I was saying to myself, what the hell is that thing down there? There's a little bird. Poor little thing. I don't know how long he's been there. Oh, it wouldn't be that long, because let me try to get down here. It doesn't smell or nothing. Maybe only a couple of days. Oh well, I'll have to try to get him out. I got my rubber gloves. I don't know, I'll get my hand down there. I might do a different way. I might do it off camera. Okay, I got him out. He's starting to smell. He must be dead, maybe 2 days. Yeah, I'll finish up and get rid of him.